So guys, today I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp on your phone and register or create a new account. So the first step is to open your Play Store. Make sure you are going to Play Store or any other verified app download websites or applications. Don't just go to your browser and search for WhatsApp so you don't get malware installed into your device. Then click on App Messenger or search for it. It doesn't show up here, you search for WhatsApp Messenger. Click on install. Okay, you can see the installation is complete. I'm waiting for the app to be installed into my device. And after the installation is complete, the next thing to do is to either open WhatsApp Messenger here or find it in your menu. Choose your language. My language is English, so I'm going to choose English. Okay, welcome to WhatsApp. You can read the privacy policy and you can also check the terms of service. But now what I'm going to do is to agree and continue. And you add the phone number you want to use. First of all, change country. If your country is not Nigeria, choose any country of yours. My country is Nigeria, so I'm going to choose Nigeria. With my country code, I'm going to add my phone number. And after I add your phone number, make sure you double check to make sure that it's actually your number and you have made no mistake there. Then you can click on next. And ask me to make sure that this phone number is actually mine. So I'm going to click on OK since it's mine. So I'm going to choose the option. It says to automatically verify a missed call to your phone. Allow WhatsApp to manage this call. So instead of verifying its SMS code, getting the code and put it on WhatsApp, I'm going to let WhatsApp verify through a call. So I'm going to click on continue. Then there will be a dialog box asking you to allow or deny WhatsApp the permission to make calls. So I'm going to click on allow. And also allow WhatsApp to access call logs. As you can see through the process, my phone number is verified. It is a call from WhatsApp, and the system automatically sees the call and verifies my phone number. So through this process, it's more hassle-free. You don't have to stress yourself going to your message box, trying to copy any code to paste or type in any code, because it's going to automatically verify you. Now it's done. It says to easily send messages and photos, family and friends. Allow WhatsApp to access your contacts with them. So I'm going to click on continue right now. Allow WhatsApp to do whatever he wants. And it says type my name in here. I don't want backups. Okay. So I'm going to type my name in here. Let's go with everyday tech. You can add a photo if you want, but I choose not to add a photo anyway. So go next. I think after a few seconds, the process will be over. So yes, yeah, here is it. A new WhatsApp account has been created. A brand new WhatsApp account has been created on this device. So that's it, nothing more. Once you have gone through this process, you have successfully created a new WhatsApp account on your device using your phone number. So guys, subscribe to this channel, like this video, watch out for our next video. We are going to make sure it's something you would like to see.